It's a spinach banana muffin. It's the recipe's from another mom. Her name is Laura, and she has a blog called Joy Food Sunshine. So, and it's cool because it uses mostly the blender, and it has mostly good ingredients. And it's like you use oats, and you turn it into oat flour, and then we'll just keep adding other things. But I like it because Emily eats it, and they're perfect for St. Patrick's Day because they're green. They're green. And I tell Emily that they are her superpower muffins, that they make her strong like Popeye because they have spinach in them. But she loves it. And it's like, and there's spinach in it and bananas. And like, she doesn't really eat a lot of like fruit. Like she eats like freeze dried fruit and like dried fruit and stuff. But like the texture of fruit, she's still kind of like, So
still trying to figure it. Yeah. She's figuring it out.
Yeah,
right.
She's figuring it all out. So then, this is just spinach and milk. You can use any kind of milk. I just use whole milk because that's what we have. So, but the recipe I think calls for almond milk. And then you just get this going.
Well, that's what's great too, is that the grocery stores, and whether you buy groceries online or you put on a mask and you go to the store, the grocery stores now carry so much that used to be hard to find for everyone's diet. It's so much more accessible
totally
now. Yeah,
I know, and that's really like amazing. I know, and there's so many different options. My daughter amazingly kind of eats. Well, I shouldn't say she eats everything because she doesn't eat fruit. But girlfriend loves meat, and she loves your spaghetti meatballs, and she
had it all over her beautiful.
Oh, I know. I know. So she was sort of getting creative with it all, but it's great. Oh, and she knows how to crack an egg, which I'm pretty proud of. I'm like,
I think that's amazing.
I know.
That's really impressive. I love that you're also showing people the good example of getting kids in the kitchen. A lot of people think, well, they're going to make a mess. So what? Let them put a sheet on the floor, throw a sheet in the wash. Who cares? Make a big mess. It's fun.
I always tell her, and she goes, if we make a mess, it just means we're having fun. And I'm like, that's right.
That's right, Em.
Clean it up. I know.
That's right.
That's right. Okay.
So maple syrup, was that maple syrup?
No.
Okay, what is that?
It's homemade vanilla extract.
It's vanilla,
a little vanilla.
And banana. Yeah, a little vanilla.
Banana, spinach.
Yeah.
Spinach, eggs, coconut oil.
Great.
And then in the
ground oats.
Yeah, ground oats with some baking powder, baking soda, salt, some sugar, some cinnamon, and then you mix the wet and the dry. You get it all good to go. You mix it all together. You put it in a muffin tin. I tend to cook these without a liner because I don't know. They tend to, because I send them with Emily to school. And it's just like one less thing. And here, I'll show you.
I would think that you get crispier edges and stuff without the paper.
Right? That's what I think. And then I'll show you the finished product. I have magic muffins. Hold on a second.
You have magic muffins. That's right. You do.
Beautiful green muffins for St. Patrick's Day.
Woo!
And they're delicious and nutritious.